Good morning, Mr. Smith. My name's Kim. I'm your nurse today. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
We're going to get you up in your wheelchair today, and we're going to use the ceiling track lift. So I'm going to use the universal sling. That's what your care plan says. So I'm just going to help you get into that now. I'm going to lift your bed up first. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm just going to take your covers down. And I'm going to get you to bend this knee. And you can turn your head. And I'll get you to reach and turn over for me. I'm just going to put this sling underneath you. Okay, I'll get you to roll back towards me and just towards me a little bit. Okay, you can go flat. That looks good. This is just going to go underneath your legs. Across these, you can relax. Put your shoes on. Okay, now we're going to get you connected. Okay, your care plan says to use the short straps here. And then the long strap. And the long strap. Let's get this underneath you a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to get your wheelchair ready. Put the brakes on. Okay. All right, we're going to go up. You ready? You can just have your hands like you've got them there. I'll just help your head here. You doing okay? Okay. All right, we're going to go down into your chair. Just going to push you back. Okay, do you feel comfortable? Is your bottom at the back of the chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll take this off of you. We'll just put that back in the charging position. And this is going to stay underneath you so that when they get you back into bed later, it'll be all ready to go. We'll just tuck these things out of the way. Okay, and we'll put your seatbelt on. Just get you to lean forward. Okay, do you feel comfortable?